Hi guys, today we are going to see how to find restrictions on the variable. We are going to see how to find restrictions on the variable. So when they talk about restriction, they mean the denominator is not supposed to be 0, because if the denominator is 0, then the equation is undefined. Like 1 divided by 0 is undefined. You cannot have a denominator 0. So our equation is 9 divided by 5x minus 1. 9 divided by 5x minus 1. And we are supposed to find the restrictions on this variable. So we are looking at the denominator. When it comes to we cannot have a denominator 0, so we are looking at the denominator, not the numerator. So the denominator cannot be equal to 0. So 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is how to solve this. 5x, this will go to the other side. So 5x equals to 1. When you move it to the other side, you change the sign. We want x by itself, so divide by 5, divide by 5. So 5 and 5 will cancel. So x will be equal to 1 over 5. So the restrictions on this one, the restriction on this one is 1 over 5. X cannot be 1 over 5. So if we put 5 times 1 over 5 minus 1, it will be equal to 0. So the equation will be undefined. So this is our answer. This is our restriction on this one. X cannot be equal to 1 over 5. So our second question is x squared minus 25 over x squared minus 7x plus 12. X squared minus 25 divided by x squared minus 7x plus 12. We need to find the restriction on this one. So we look at the denominator. When it comes to finding the restrictions, we ignore the top number. We just look at the bottom number or the bottom equation. So the bottom equation with x squared minus 7x plus 12. Plus 12. So our AC equals to, this will be our A, the coefficient of x squared is our A, and this is our C. So A, which is 1, times C is 12. Our B is negative 7. So we are looking for two numbers. When we multiply those two numbers, we get 12. And when we add those two numbers, we get negative 7 when we add or when we minus. So negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. And negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. So those two numbers are negative 4 and negative 3. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. Because we are finding the restrictions, we can say is equal to 0. Because we are looking for numbers on when it's not supposed, that number is not supposed to make the denominator 0. So x squared minus 3x, the common is x minus 3. I move this to the other side. X minus 3 equals to 0. Here I'm looking for a number. When I multiply, I'll get the top, which is minus 4. So x minus 4 and x minus 3 equal to 0. So I will have x minus 4 equal to 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0. So that will be x equal to 4 or x equal to 3. So the restricted numbers, x cannot be equal to 4 and x cannot be equal to 3. So those are the two numbers we are looking for.